This is simple cooking, made simple with Carolina Chef. Today is this week we're doing Southern comfort food. So we're gonna do 3 items. That is one of my favorite comfort foods. We're gonna do a homemade chili. We're gonna do a Texas-sized Carolina burger and homemade berry cobbler with a liquid crust that is simple to make. So hopefully you guys will check out all 3 videos this week. And we've already kind of started with our chili. So this is chili that we made. It's got jalapeños, it's got some beans, onions, tomatoes, chili peppers. It's got great flavor, great spice. So let's get started and let's play. We're browning our ground beef and it's almost done. We're gonna add our 2 onions and 1 jalapeno, and it still has the seeds in it. So we'll get a little spice from that. So we're gonna let these cook up and tenderize a little bit. So we'll cook this for probably about 2 minutes. And our ground beef we got this morning from Flurry's Market in Flower Mound. They have a great selection of fresh meats, beef, seafood, chicken, pork. And they also have a nice little bistro if you want to have lunch there from 11 to 3. But their ground beef, they use their steak trimmings, and it's about 80 to 20. So we did drain some of the grease off of this. But this is probably some of the best ground beef that I've had. This will probably be, I'll probably use this for all of any recipe that calls for ground beef. I'll make my burgers. Such a good flavor. So juicy. So make sure if you're in the Flower Mound area that you go by and check them out. I wish I'd have found them before now. So we're letting this cook for a little bit, and then we'll start adding our other items and our spices to it. So we're back. We just finished browning our ground beef. Our onions are tender and our jalapenos, but just a warning, once you get through cutting up your jalapeno, please do not scratch your eyes or your butt. It'll set it on fire. So we're gonna start adding our other items that we're gonna have in our chili. We're gonna use Swanson's beef broth. And this is a 32 ounce. So I'm gonna add I'm gonna use the whole container. Then we're gonna add a 5 ounce, I think it's a 5 ounce can. Nope, it's 4 ounce can of diced chilies. We use 2 cans of tomato juice. One can of diced tomatoes. Now, if you don't want to use diced tomatoes or the chilies, you can just add in rotel. So I'm gonna stir this up. And the next I'm gonna add a mix of pinto beans and kidney beans. And I know you guys from Texas are like, you can't have chili with beans in it, but this is how I grew up making chili, and I think it's really good. So I like beans in mine. And then the 5 spices we'll be using is chili powder, cumin, garlic, smoked paprika, and I'm gonna add some black pepper. So once I add the spices, we'll put this back on the stovetop and cook it for about another 30 to 45 minutes on low, just so all those flavors blend well together and you have a nice chili. So our chili is ready. I added 3 more beef cubes to it to add some extra flavor. And I used 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and a 1/4 cup water, mixed it up real good where it was nice and smooth, and added that just to thicken it up just a little bit. It'll keep thickening with the beans in there. Like your normal Texas chili without the beans, you're using flour for a thickener. So I just use cornstarch. So I'm gonna make sure that I don't burn myself on blowing this for a second. It smells really good. And it's super hot because those little drops of juice there are burning my hand. Man, that's so good. So good and tasty. I taste the chili powder, the garlic in there, the cumin. It's got some nice heat from the jalapenos and the chilies. I think you guys will really enjoy this. Now, if you're not wanting to make it so spicy, maybe make sure you don't put the jalapeno in there, or maybe just take the seeds out of the jalapeno. That'll help with the spiciness. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and hopefully it's cold where you're at so you can make some chili today. So enjoy, and we want to thank you for showing up. So don't forget to do the 3 S's. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thank you, and God bless. Yeah, I think I figured out our gas problem. We just need to eat more chili with beans. Tom, I feel sorry for your wife tonight.
Oh well.